Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create superscript text in Microsoft Excel. This is really useful when you're working with things like ordinal numbers, footnotes, or scientific data. It's quick, simple, and you don't need any special tools. First, type your text in any Excel cell. For example, type first in a cell. Now double-click the cell to enter Edit Modix. With the mouse, select the part of the text you want to make superscript. In our example, select ST. Now press Ctrl plus Shift F on your keyboard. This will open the Format Cells window directly to the Font tab. In the Font tab, check the box next to Superscript and click OK. You'll now see that only the ST superscript is, while the rest of the text remains normal. And that's how you make superscript text in Excel. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.